Till now we have understood about the your socialist party. Okay, we have learned about the nature of the dominance. We have also learned about the first three general elections, and then we going to learn the much more in this chapter. We have understood about the some facts related to your Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Okay, the full name you should remember this. All right. Then we have already understood about the Rafi Ahmed Kidwal. Okay, we know about this is the person who was the first minister of a free India food and agriculture ministry. So he look after the ministry of agriculture and food. Okay, then we have also learn about the Congress work at the upper level as well as the grassroots level. Congress was popularized due to the participation in the civil disobedience movement, but in Kerala, okay, the situation is different. In Kerala in 1957, the Communist Party comes to power in the world for the first time through dramatic or democratic elections. This was the first where the non-Congress government was formed after the independence. So this was the only one state where the Congress does not get a single vote. Now we're going to learn about the other facts related to this topic. Okay, now we will dealing with the next topic, that is your Congress as a social and ideological collision. So Congress ideas and their thoughts might be different, or it is in a parallel. So we know that the origin of your Congress party is starts from 1885. Okay, this is a newly educated professional commercial class group in the 20th century. The dominant was in democratic condition. Okay, the root of the extraordinary success of the Congress party go back to back legacy of the freedom. So we know about the Congress since our independence. Okay, pre-independence era we know about a lot about Congress party. The Congress brought together diverse groups, okay, whose interests were often contradictory. In the Congress party you have lot of people involved. Okay, be or lower caste people, middle caste people, different villages, thinkers, banker, dwellers. सो ये सब लीडर इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं. इन्वॉल्व होने की वजह से द कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी इन चीज़ें होती हैं, यानी कि सभी का इंटरेस्ट एक मत पे नहीं आ पाता है. सो दिस इज़ अ हाई रिस्क देयर. By the time of independence, the Congress was transformed into a rainbow-like social collision broadly India's diversity in terms of classes and the caste, religion, language, and various interests. So by the end of the when the group started forming like in a collision, because everybody have a different interest. Okay, actually they were in a Congress party, but they have interests, their goal are different, so they are just like a rainbow, they are there. But after the collision, after collision मीन होता है कि जब आप एक साथ मिल करके काम करते हैं, एक साथ आ जाते हैं on the basis of caste, class, religion, language, and various interests. And this collision, like character of Congress, gave it as usual strength. So this is the reason that people started relating themselves in this party, because um, this party have a lot of faith. Okay, people now know कि अगर हम कांग्रेस पार्टी से जुड़े हैं then we have a development. People will believe that holding the hand of Congress party will help us a lot. Okay, so this is about this topic. Now we going to learn about the next part. Okay, we will come back to this page number 37 later on, just to finish up this. Okay, so you can see this is the condition how people were relating themselves to the Congress party or a Congress socialist party, because every people know that कि इनके आइडिया, इनकी आइडियोलॉजी जो है वो बहुत अच्छी है, क्योंकि they are working in a methods, specific programs or a policies. Okay, so this is all for today.